Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. I got this Porsche Panamera. We just replaced the two front shock absorbers, complete air struts on these ones here. So brand new one there, brand new on the other side. We done the water test, the actual foam test. There's no leak, everything is good on this side here. But the only thing I've got to buy, I'll tell the customer making it by himself, the retainer clips for these ones. I can't find them. There's one on that holds the plug to the actual shock absorber on top. Same on that side there, it's missing as well. But so we'll come back here. All the shock absorber's been done, so the front one's done as well. So everything is okay now. You can see it there on the actual scan tool. I'll continue on. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back out. And then I'm going to read for fault codes. Alright, as you can see, there's no fault there that says level control. Is because I switched it off with the actual, I locked the suspension already, so but there's no faults there to actually say, let me erase it if I can see. Yeah, there's only one fault came back active, and the reason why, because I've locked the suspension before we put the actual car up in the air. And I'll show you the actual original fault codes. Let's come here at the front. This is the actual original fault codes here. I'll press pause and I'll find it. That's the original one I had. Look at this. PASM, valve. Go back, next page. See how many faults are logged there. A lot. So now these faults are gone. So now we're gonna put the wheels on, and then we're gonna actually bring it down. It should be ready to go for a road test tomorrow. Or if I have time, I'll actually double check everything, and then we'll go from there. But this car is sorted. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.